Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Congratulations on Bitcoin. $64,000 it hit last night. $64,000. I'm going to show you my trades on Bitcoin, which now hit $150,000 profit. The account hitting new all-time high, 740,000. If you remember yesterday, my account was like 650 or something thousand. Up massive. Congratulations, everyone. 64K got rejected very quick, very powerfully. Coinbase went down, so it went to 64K. Coinbase went down. It showed everyone their balance was zero, and then it dropped from 64K down to 58K, and then we had that bounce back to 62K, which is very beautiful. Stay through to the end of the video to see my exact trades. Hit the subscribe and smash up thumbs up and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Actually, I want to go first into my account because what my Bybit account now $737,647 US, $738,000 US. It's just watching it fluctuate is crazy. 737,800. Look at this. Yes, at the beginning of the week I was 605,000, so I'm now up 605,000 to 738,000. It's $133,000, up $133,000 this week, and this month up $238,000, which is beautiful on this account. My Bitcoin trade now $153,800 in profits. Bitcoin 61,300. My profit is 1,246% on Bitcoin trade, which is amazing. Bitcoin came up and hit the Doge, also pumped yesterday. Bitcoin came up and hit the $61,000 target. If you've been following my videos, we've had this $61,000 target back since October 16th. We've had this target 61K October 16th, and we hit it yesterday, everyone, and we got our rejection, but the target went up. So the third wave went higher. It went to there. So this is now a big resistance area. All these other resistance we smashed through. Congratulations, all of you. And then we got rejected, and we got, could this be the corrective wave already finished? That's the question. If it is, what, my God, it's going to be crazy. If this was the corrective wave already finished, then it's going to be crazy, bro. I don't know. I think all-time high would have another rejection, but I think this can happen much quicker than even. It was so close to all-time high. Look at this volume. The only thing that I care about, the thing that I'm watching, everyone, and the thing that I watched in the 2021 bull market top, when I was the only person in the world on November 11th to call the day of the top, the thing that I'm watching is the volume. The only thing I'm watching is the volume on Bitcoin, on spot and derivatives. This is the volume. Volume predicts price, and right now we have massive buying, all buying volume for the last 4 months, 5 months. It's just pure buying volume on Bitcoin, and it's getting bigger. Volume predicts price. When Bitcoin goes up and hits new all-time highs and the volume goes down, that's when I'm getting worried. But right now, the volume is just going crazy. Look at the volume yesterday. Nearly all-time high volume on Bitcoin. Yesterday was a crazy day volume-wise. We had Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoin traded yesterday was on derivatives, 451,000 Bitcoin was traded yesterday on derivatives. And on spot, this is just on Binance spot, not including the ETFs, which was like billions of dollars of volume. On Binance spot, 118,000 Bitcoin. So on derivatives, 404,000. It's like crazy volume still coming into Bitcoin. This is, again, what I'm waiting for. When Bitcoin makes new all-time highs and the volume goes down, then I'm worried, then I'm getting out. Right now, the volume is making new all-time highs as Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. A very different scenario than the 2021 bull market top, when Bitcoin made all-time high at 69K and volume dropped. Right now, Bitcoin is making new all-time highs and volume going up, or close to new all-time highs. The trade I would take on Bitcoin, if not yet, where would I enter a trade? I think this wave, this corrective wave, is already in effect, and I think it's going to be very short-lived. So actually, that drop, that rejection was the perfect time to get into Bitcoin, actually. Now let's see how far we can pull back. We pulled back from, look at this candle. We went on the 15-minute candle. Bitcoin went to 64,270. Then Coinbase said that the Coinbase went down, they showed everyone zero balances. Even if you had millions of dollars in your accounts, it showed zero. And then it dropped from 65,000, even though they had 64,600, even though they had years. Coinbase is many years old. This is their third cycle in Bitcoin, and they still couldn't get it right, have the software ready, even after so many years to withstand the amount of buying volume. 64, and then it dropped all the way to 58. People are speculating that Coinbase ran out of Bitcoin, and that's why they stopped providing services. And then Bitcoin had a big bounce. But again, look at that volume. Crazy volume, everyone. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is hopefully if you can catch a pullback again. It's pulling back right now onto this area of major support. I would take a long from here. The previous resistance is now major support area. Crazy. I'm talking about opening a trade now, if you're lucky, opening a trade at 59k, and now we're price finding, everyone. Okay, now I'm going to try and find out where can be, like, we're going to look at volume to see the top, but where can Bitcoin go based off these patterns? If we assume this is a massive cup and handle, that's formed now on Bitcoin, then we can say that the base of the cup and handle is the distance that Bitcoin will run. The base of the cup and handle is the distance that Bitcoin will run after a pullback. So what is a cup and handle? It's a technical pattern that you can learn in the crypto master course. Cup, handle, and then it's a bullish pattern, explosive pattern up that moves the distance of the cup here, this base. So if we're looking at that as if we're looking at this previous all-time high as one of the cup formation, and this high as the cup, and then a pullback as the handle, this is one of the world's biggest cup and handles, and everyone should be extremely shocked about what can happen. And when I draw this, you're going to be as well. If I draw this cup and handle formation, everyone ready? Let's get it like perfect. When this cup and handle formation will take us on Bitcoin to, I'm going to show you at the end of the video. My Bybit account is now $153,836 in the profits, 1,244%, which is incredible. Congratulations, everyone. My account 738,286, up from 501,000 to now 738,000 in the last 30 days. So I made 239,000 in the last 30 days. In the last 7 days, I made 134,000 in the last 7 days. I'm holding spot, which is up 22,000 yesterday. Bitcoin, 123,000, up 7.6% even after the pullback. Doge, 81,000, up 16%. Congratulations, everyone that bought Doge, up 17%. Yes! Uniswap, 79,000, holding even after huge pump, 100%. 61k USDT. FXS, 54,000, up, down 5%. MCRT, up slightly down 1.7%. WorldCoin up 9%, 40,000. Pocket 36,000, slightly down. Congratulations, everyone. 739,847, and it's fluctuating like crazy. And again, if you think I'm trying to sell you stuff, this is my account that's connected to my debit card on Bybit. So it's connected to my debit card where I can directly spend money from this account. And you can see in the last month, I've spent from this account 5,396 euro, 5,396 euro up from my account balance, which is now, even though I spent 5,000 euro, I'm still up 730. I still have 739,000 USD. Let's see how much it is in euro. I have in euro, or is euro 682,000 that I can spend directly on my debit card, which is beautiful. USD 739,000. Let's see in AUD, because yesterday I showed AUD. I became a millionaire on this account in AUD. Now I'm a millionaire. I made 138,000 AUD yesterday, which is beautiful. So if you think I'm trying to sell you something, or you greatly mistaken. My Bybit account trade 153,000. Doge pumping. My OKX 10k to $1 million challenge from $10,000 is now $35,000. I opened a Bitcoin trade, if you remember, in Egypt. It was a $1,347 margin, and I've made $22,000 from $1,347. Same thing on my Bybit trade. My Bitcoin trade it cost me $12,000, and I've made $153,000, and I already took $8,900, so I've made $163,000 from $12,000, which is beautiful. and I'm just the best trader in the world as usual. And the market just pumped yesterday, and the Telegram is going crazy. Yesterday we had Syscoin up 20%, 18%. Dogecoin was up 20% at some point. Bitcoin hit 64. This was before I went to sleep. Bitcoin went to 64. Everyone's saying legend, you're a legend, good work. MCRT turn coming soon. The team is developing amazing. I'm going to market buy at some point more. I love this channel. It's always been very impactful for me since I joined. My Bitcoin trade 1,223%, but it hit 64K. I wonder what my percentage of this trade was at 64K. Now at 61K, I'm at 153,000. So at 64K, I would have been another 3 times 8, another 18,000 up on this trade in this account, which is huge. And over on X, you can follow me on X as well. There's so many posts yesterday. 83,600 followers. This struggle is real. Bitcoin, stay humble. Fucking told you so. Everyone, congratulations. Damn, at this rate, I'm gonna have to sell some Bitcoin to buy a wheelbarrow to carry my balls around. Stay humble, sack stats. Congratulations, everyone. Doge 20%, Syscoin 17%, World 15%, Bitcoin 8%. Congratulations, everyone. And I said I've been buying at the lows. Bitcoin, this was on the 1st of the 12th 2022, so the bottom of the bear market. I've been buying Bitcoin, MCRT, Cake, Uni, Google, Meta, TSM, Tesla. That paid off beautifully. Elliott wave count from the 16th of October hit 61K. I won't close, not with ETFs and halving. We'll make an updated video tomorrow. We should have a pullback of 61K for the 3rd to 4th corrective wave, but I don't think we'll pull back much. Bitcoin 62K, Doge going as I predicted. Bitcoin, Uni, and Doge buys activated on the dip. I bought Doge here. You can see Bitcoin. I was buying. This trade was at 25K, and Doge I bought at it doesn't show at what price it was, but it was on the 8th of 2023. World was going, world was up. We just made massive gains. Bitcoin pumping 64K. People celebrating Elliott wave. Me talking about Elliott wave counts. Our community, me and my community stacked the shit out of Bitcoin on the bottom. Everyone else is into altcoins while liquidity is being sucked into Bitcoin from the ETFs, and we knew about it. Bitcoin 1,600% up, 557% bonk. These guys up on these trades. 1,149% long on Bitcoin, 1,002. This was my trade. Congratulations. These are just some of the posts from yesterday. I'm not selling my Bitcoin 11 hours ago. Bitcoin just hit 61K. We reached 64. This replying to Guru Nostradamus, 1,690%. And you can just see this is all on my Twitter. Now let's go into Bitcoin again. And my target for this cup and handle on Bitcoin is going to blow people's minds. If this holds where we are right now, which I think it will, the target of this big cup and handle will be 115,000 US dollars, everyone. 115,000 US dollars. I'm going to get this out and show you all very quickly because this is amazing news. And again, congratulations to everyone who bought with me. The bottom, Bitcoin, all the alts, Doge. I want to show Doge as well because Doge we were buying. I told you Doge would pump a few days ago, everyone. I was saying the accumulation, even yesterday's video, I was talking about this massive Doge accumulation. Then look at that buy. Yesterday's buy on Doge, there was orders of 9.4 billion Doge compared to the normal 1 billion Doge or 500 million Doge. 9.4 billion, 20 times the normal volume. And look, Doge coming exactly hitting my target and finding resistance, but straight through actually. 16 cents is one of the big targets. If we manage to get through, we're still stuck in this big accumulation zone on Doge. 16, 19, and then big resistance at 20, 29. That's my updates in the market. Congratulations, all of you. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And again, go down below. All the links are down below. Down underneath the video. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements using that link. 2 is the courses. The Crypto Master course teaches you all the trading. There's 32 hours courses, 10,000 students. Each course is around $333. And join us in the Telegram. It's free, 9,000 traders. And again, if you think I'm trying to sell you something, this is my Bybit account with 739,000 US dollars in it, or 1.1 million Australian, or 111 million Japanese yen, or 67 million ruble, all that I can spend directly from my Bybit account. 740,000. You just watched it go up $2,000. My Bitcoin trade 154,000. I want you to take these courses. I want you to study, and I want you to learn, and I want you to join the Telegram and join the other 9,000 traders that there's right now online. 94 members online right now, and 2,500 in this chat, and you can just see everyone talking, sharing their trades. Yesterday was a crazy day. So many people. This is just last night. This is just this morning since sunrise, but you can just see some of the gains. 496% on Doge. Yes, I just got crazy. 496%. I was calling Doge a lot lately. Congratulations, everyone. And you can just see everyone's trades, and this is just the chats this morning. There's right now 100 of you online, or 90 something of you, 16% on ING. You can just see everyone chatting together. And again, love you all. Congratulations on these mega gains. Congratulations of everything. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn the ball. Congratulations, everyone. Love you. I'm not yet selling my Bitcoin. I'm waiting for the volume to drop. I'll keep you updated. Follow me on all my socials down below. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.